Hi guys, I am Tommy, and here I would like to show you what we do. So, here we did IKEA kitchen with some adjustment. The project is designed by us studio, so please watch them as well. Here we just attached new handles, new countertop, new shelf. Here you can see some of the pages of the design. There was approx 60 pages and approx 70 tasks to do. Okay, let's go upstairs. We have 4 floors here. All the floors were replaced in this apartment. We did painting, we did some plastering, we did some carpentry. As you can see here, here is bench with the drawers, 4 drawers. Some electricity, some custom-made cabinets. Here we have a cat, so we won't disturb him. Here's just the toilet. Of course, all new. We applied a layer of protection here. And the top floor, we entered the gym room. And the bathroom, which we couldn't fully finish because the IKEA stuff didn't arrive on time. But we have nice shower area with the LED spots. We have a floor heating here. And also all custom shelving. And we have another bedroom here with the custom lying area, and that's it basically. So the renovation took in total approx 3 months, but we had some problem with deliveries, which caused the longer timing. And if you wanna see how it looked before, you can see on the movie, which is on the link in the description. Thank you.